Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by heating your cream gently to steaming, about 2 minutes on low, so it softens the chocolate without seizing it. Once the cream is hot, pour it over 4 oz chopped chocolate and let it sit 30–60 seconds to melt. Then stir slowly until fully glossy and smooth. This emulsion creates a shiny, pourable glaze. Make sure to scrape the bowl corners and check temperature. The glaze should be warm but not hot to avoid melting the cake crumb. You position the cake on a wire rack and start pouring the glaze from the center, using a circular motion to encourage even coverage. Keep your pour height low for controlled flow. Raise slightly if you need a thinner coat. Once the top is covered, use an offset spatula to coax glaze over the sides and fix any bare spots. If drips form unevenly, pause and let gravity do the work. Gentle taps on the rack help settle the glaze evenly around the cake. You allow the glazed cake to rest on the rack until the surface is tacky and the edges no longer run, typically 10–20 minutes. Then slide it onto a serving plate. If you need a mirror finish, chill briefly for a firmer gloss but avoid refrigeration for long as condensation dulls shine. If the glaze thickens or seizes, gently rewarm it over a double boiler and whisk until smooth. If too thin, chill slightly to thicken before reapplying small touch-up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.